Hello everyone, welcome to Possible Tips. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can see your top 9 Instagram posts of 2020 which have performed very well in 2020 and which have gained you the most amount of likes, and I will be showing you how many posts you have done in 2020. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. But if this video helps you out, or if you like this video, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments what you think. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and make it to all so that you never miss any tutorials just like this. So now let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to your Chrome browser or any browser. Okay, for this video I'm just going with Chrome, and just type this sentence called top 9 Instagram 2020. Okay, so there will be so many websites, but I will suggest you to use this one. Okay, so just go to this best9.net. so I will just click on that website link. So after that there will be a new interface, and here you will be able to see so many people. Already there are some of the top 9 posts of popular people. Okay, so I will just you can just type it here, whatever ID is your. So you can just type your Instagram ID and just click on this get button, and you can see your top 9 Instagram posts just like this. Okay, just like this people. Okay, so make sure your Instagram account is set to public. Okay, if your Instagram account is public, then only this will work, otherwise it won't work. So make sure about that, and you need to just type your Instagram account user ID and click on this get button. And I will just click on this get, and this will load. This will take a bit time, but wait. So this is the top 9 post of Instagram of 2020 of Cristiano Ronaldo, which is performing pretty good and which has gained most amount of engagement. As you can see, the number of likes that he has gained on 2020, and this is the amount of posts that he has done on 2020. Okay, 204 posts. Okay, so let's say you want to download this. So what you need to do is you need to just tab on this for a bit long time, and there will be a pop-up, and you can just click on this download image, and this will be downloaded to your gallery, and you can just share it in your Instagram or WhatsApp, anywhere. Okay, so that's pretty much in this video. So if this video helped you out, or if you like this video, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments what do you think. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and make it to all so that you never miss any tutorial just like this. I will see you in the next one. Peace.